Hi, it's Clickmagick here, and in today's video I want to talk about the best affiliate tracking software to make money with Builderall. Now, as any internet marketer knows, or affiliate marketer knows, tracking your performance through your sales funnels and using that data to optimize your business is absolutely key. And that's true for Builderall as well. Now, Builderall's tracking is possibly one of the only weaknesses in the platform, and therefore all my tracking is carried out using what I believe is the best affiliate marketing tracking software, Clickmagick. So what I'm going to show you are 5 proven tracking tips in Clickmagick that will help you make money with Builderall in 2019.
Tip 1. How to add a Clickmagick tracking pixel to a Builderall thank you page. So what I've done is I've set up a test link that just loads a opt-in page or an opt-in page. So I copy the link. Oops. I copy the link and I fire it. I add in a dummy email address. Okay, so I've got no tracking on that thank you page. So I just give Clickmagick a couple of seconds to pick this up. Okay, so it's picked up the fact that there was a click. But you've got no idea what happened afterwards. You've got no record of any actions. Not surprisingly, you've not set anything up. So now we want to set up pixel tracking in the thank you page. So if we go to track conversions, we use the pixel builder to generate what we need. I want the action last click. I can use the defaults here. So all I need to do is to copy this. Okay. Now I need to get to the thank you page. Use a little cog to open this up, and at the bottom there is an area where I can drop scripts in, which will be right in the header of the page. So I've now done that. I save that, and I save the whole page. Okay. Tells me it can take 5 minutes, but let's try. So first of all, I want to just clear the cache so it knows or doesn't know that I've already clicked this link. It's a handy feature that Clickmagick has. Okay, it's cleared. So I'll go back to my link. Copy the tracking link. Fire it again. Add a dummy email address. Okay, so we now get to the thank you page. That should have fired the pixel. So I cleared that out so it was at 0 again. So now I know that I had one link to my opt-in page and there was one action. There was an opt-in because the pixel has been fired at the thank you page. So that's how to use a Clickmagick tracking pixel in a Builderall thank you page. Okay, tip 2 is how to use Clickmagick tracking links in place of internal pages. So this is a slightly different way of tracking conversions. So on my thank you page, I've got rid of the tracking pixel. Okay, so that's not the method I'm going to use this time. But in Clickmagick, I've made a link, a tracking link, to the thank you page. I'm going to copy that tracking link. So, if I now go back to the landing page, and I click the button change the URL. So the URL at the moment are in for an internal page. So what I do is, instead of being an internal page, I give it the tracking link. So the same on all three. So in effect, this system, this setup, instead of measuring a conversion from the opt-in page to the thank you page, when it arrives on the thank you page, it actually picks up the conversion when you are being sent to the thank you page. So it picks it up a little bit earlier, but you can assume that if it's been sent to the thank you page, then they've actually opted in. So if we do the same process, and I've cleared the cache, copy the tracking link, so it's loaded. Right, now as I set this, it's going to fire a pixel because it's going to fire through that Clickmagick page. Okay, so I'm not measuring actions this time on the landing page, but I am measuring whether we reach the thank you page or whether we were redirecting to the thank you page. So that's my confirmation, therefore I know that we've had an opt-in. So that's how to replace internal pages with Clickmagick tracking links. So tip 3 is how to use Clickmagick links to track to external pages. And really this is based on the same premise as tip 2, in that you actually don't measure on the page that you're going to, you measure going through a Clickmagick redirect. And this is useful because often you don't have access to external pages, affiliate pages as an example. So this is a workaround, if you like. So on this button, which would take you to a registration page, and you're keen to know, yes, people have opted in, but have they continued onto the registration page? So again, I've created a ClickFunnels link. Now in this case, I'm not sending it to a registration page, I'm just sending it to Google. Okay, so that's the change I've made on the thank you page. Okay, hopefully those will all be reset to zeros. So the only thing I've changed is that link from the thank you page. So again, I'm going to copy the tracking link. Add another dodgy email. Opt in. And now I'm also going to continue on to registration. Okay, so it's measured as it's redirected me through Clickmagick to google.com. So if I update the tracker, you can now see that I've had a link go to the external page as well. So that's given me good confidence that people have opted in and they've then progressed through the thank you page to the registration page. And as I said, normally you can find out whether people have registered by actually going into the system and checking that one. So that's how you use Clickmagick links to external pages. Tip 4. How to use Clickmagick links to monitor email conversions in MailingBoss. So as you're likely to want to use Clickmagick to monitor your funnel conversions, it often makes sense that you monitor your emails in the same place rather than trying to use Clickmagick and MailingBoss. So one of the ways you can do that is you can set up a series of links for each of your emails. And then in MailingBoss, when you create a link in an email, it's actually a tracking link. As I said, it's a bit of a time saver. You also can do some fancier conversion monitoring if you want to, but it's mainly around time saving. So you can do all of your conversion tracking in Clickmagick. So tip 5, how to use Clickmagick links to save time with MailingBoss. Now there are two examples where I think Clickmagick can save you a lot of time with MailingBoss. The first one is if you are putting together an email follow-up series with lots of the emails going to the same product or landing page, sales page, whichever you're sending them to, and it's an evergreen product, and there is a chance in the future that you might decide to send that email traffic to a different product. So it's a generic follow-up series of emails. So if you say you had 8 emails all with the same link, If you change the product, then you have to go into each of those 8 emails and change the link. Instead, if you set up a tracking link in Clickmagick, and that's what you put your email links as. So as an example, I've created one as a dummy one, called it email, and it's going to Google. Okay, so that's my product, it's Google. But in 6 months' time I decide actually there's a better product that I can send to that mailing list, and the follow-ups are generic enough that I can use the same follow-ups, but I don't want to go in and change all 8 emails. Well, what you would do is you would just come in to here and get your new product, save the changes, and all your emails have been updated and are now linking to the new product. I think in a similar situation, if you're developing a series of follow-up emails, but you know you're about to change your landing page, you've got someone working on a new landing page, again, it makes sense to link to a single tracking link, and you can change that and all your emails are updated at the same time. So I hope you agree that the best affiliate tracking software to make money with Builderall is Clickmagick. And I hope you agree that these 5 tips to help you track performance from your Builderall funnels and to save a little bit of time with Mailing Boss have been useful for you. If they have, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up for the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.